Hi everyone. So we recently added to the system a way to customize your doors a little further. So if you have colors that only come in doors but are not cabinet colors, it used to be very difficult to get that in our system. But we now have a way to choose colors that are available in only doors and apply them to your doors throughout the system. So it's going to start in the Advanced Colors tab. And these door colors on this drop down are based on the style that you chose when you first came into your design. But then if you scroll down further, there's other colors. Now these will be, if you have colors that are only door colors and your admin sets it that way, they'll show up down here. And so let's pick one of these. Say black is one of our door only colors and doesn't come in cabinets. So let's switch it. And right off the jump you can see we got $1,000,000 price. And it's telling us which door, so wall 2 section 2 and wall 3 section 1 are not being found because they don't come in black. This is solid wood, over here is slab, and right here is square raised panel, so black only comes in square raised panel out of these three. Now if we drill down into the wall, come in here and edit unit, you can see this drop down is now based on the color on black. So let's change this, and you can see we have a warning telling you that it's not available in slab. So let's change this shaker, update these doors. You can see this wall just jumped down to 1,000,000, or I'm sorry, 1,000. Let's go to wall 3 where our other trouble was, and I'll show you how we can come in here and do this color change based on the door only. So let's change just this guy to white. And you can see it being white, that does come in solid wood, and drop down. So now we have a solid wood in white, a square edge panel in black, and a square edge panel in shaker, and they all work well there. Then if we continue step 4 and we choose these are chosen, or these rails drawer styles are coming up based on the closet color that we chose, which was rustic cherry. Comes in all of these, but as we know, black did not come in slab, so let me choose slab and black. And we're gonna give you a little warning that some of your door and drawer colors may have changed because they don't come in that style. So when you do that global change, we're assuming you want that to change. But white did come in slab, so we left that one white on wall 3 for you. But the other two were in black, so we swapped those over to slab and pushed them to rustic cherry. If you need to get them back, you can always just come back here and do the advanced colors again and set them back to what you wanted. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.